commit suicide in this YouTube video. Okay, that's fine. This is just the fun of the YouTube video. Huh? I'm gonna Kermit suicide. I'm Kermiting suicide, boys. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. That's just the fun of this YouTube video. The Kermit suicide. As you can see, I committed suicide. We committed suicide, boys. We both committed suicide. We all committed suicide except for Amon, and Neil is still alive right now. And we committed. Okay, now because we committed suicide for the fun of it, we're actually gonna, since they committed suicide, we're gonna get the win for you, trust me. I'm gonna spectate XP chat right now. Boat versus helicopter. Oh, Neil has a golden pistol and the burst stand and a decoy nade. I don't think we would need decoy nades, but I'm gonna spectate Armand to see how much health. Dude, the helicopter's almost dead. Oh. Frenzy, yeah. Guys, this YouTube video is not gonna be on show, so you can't watch it on live, okay? No, it is, but I need to upload it after. I need to first take a video of it and then go to YouTube and upload it. Right now, I'm just making a YouTube